Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top-rated auto repair shop management software for 2025. So whether you're running a neighborhood garage, a growing multi-location repair center, or a full-scale diesel fleet service facility, this video is for you. We'll be comparing 4 leading platforms: AutoLeap, Shopmonkey, Tekmetric, and Fullbay. Each software solution offers a powerful suite of tools to streamline your workflow, enhance customer interactions, simplify inventory and invoicing, and grow your bottom line. So let's break it down feature by feature so you can determine which one fits your business best. Let's begin with AutoLeap. It is a platform that's rapidly gained popularity for its intuitive design and all-in-one capabilities. AutoLeap is built for general auto repair shops that want simplicity without sacrificing power. Its clean, modern interface makes it easy for teams to learn quickly, so you don't waste time on lengthy onboarding or tech support. With AutoLeap, you can schedule appointments, manage job cards and repair orders, handle inventory and parts tracking, send invoices and get paid all from one dashboard. But what really makes AutoLeap stand out is its digital vehicle inspection system. Technicians can carry out in-depth inspections directly from their phones or tablets, add photos and notes, and instantly share detailed reports with customers. This builds trust and helps clients make informed decisions. It also includes automated customer management and engagement tools such as service reminders, personalized promotions, follow-up messages. These features help keep your customers loyal and your days busy. Plus, the real-time performance dashboard gives you instant access to metrics like revenue trends, technician efficiency, customer satisfaction. So AutoLeap is ideal for shop owners looking for a robust solution that balances usability, marketing, and transparency. So next up is Shopmonkey. It is a modern cloud-based solution built for speed, efficiency, and a top-tier customer experience. So if you're running a busy shop and want a platform that feels as sleek as a smartphone application, Shopmonkey might be your go-to. Its interface is incredibly straightforward and it allows you to create repair estimates and invoices quickly, communicate with customers through two-way text and email, track jobs, parts, and payments in real time. Everything happens in a few clicks, making it easy to manage your entire workflow without overwhelming your team. One of the strongest features of Shopmonkey is its customer communication system. The built-in texting tool means you can update clients instantly, get approvals faster, and avoid unnecessary delays. Technicians can perform digital inspections, upload photos, and get feedback, all while improving customer trust and satisfaction. Shopmonkey also integrates with QuickBooks, making accounting seamless and eliminating double data entry. So overall, Shopmonkey is best suited for tech-savvy shops that want a stylish, fast-moving system with strong communication and operational tools. Coming in strong is Tekmetric. So it is a flexible and feature-rich platform that aims at larger multi-location or performance-focused shops. Tekmetric goes beyond just managing your daily workflow. It gives you data-driven insights and lets you customize how your shops operate. With Tekmetric, you can set up customer workflows, use real-time labor guides, track technician time, monitor profit margins on parts and services, run in-depth reports across locations. It's especially useful for owners who want detailed visibility and control over every part of their operation. Tekmetric also connects with several part suppliers, allowing for quick price comparisons and instant ordering, which can save time and reduce costs. It's also equipped with strong multi-location management tools, so if you're operating several shops, you'll appreciate how easy it is to view and manage everything from a central hub. If you're looking for customization, reporting, power, and scalability, Tekmetric should be high on your list. Now let's talk about another very important, that is Fullbay. So it is a specialized platform designed for heavy-duty and fleet repair shops. Fullbay isn't trying to serve every kind of repair business. Instead, it focuses specialty on diesel, commercial, and fleet service providers, and it does that job exceptionally well. Fullbay includes tools tailored for this industry, such as DOT compliance tracking, technician certification logs, fleet-wide maintenance scheduling, job-based billing, and invoicing. These tools help businesses stay in line with regulations, maintain high service standards, and keep fleets on the road with minimal downtime. Fleet managers can access a dedicated customer portal where they can track services, status, repair history, and costs in real time. Inventory management is another strength of Fullbay. It's designed to handle high volumes of parts and tools, making sure you never run out of critical components. The labor tracking system ensures that every technician's time is logged and billed accurately, which helps protect your margins. So if your shop deals with diesel trucks, buses, or commercial fleet vehicles, Fullbay isn't just a good choice, it's probably the best one. So which platform is best for you in this year? So let's recap. AutoLeap is perfect for general auto repair shops seeking an all-in-one solution with strong marketing and inspection tools. Shopmonkey is ideal for fast-paced shops that want a visually sleek, easy-to-use system with powerful communication features. Tekmetric suits multi-location operations or owners who love data and need full customization and advanced reporting. And Fullbay dominates the fleet and heavy-duty space, offering compliance support, job billing, and fleet service tools. Ultimately, it all depends on your shop's size, focus, and the type of customers you serve. So some shops may even benefit from trying a demo or signing up for a free trial, which most of these platforms offer to get a hands-on fleet for what works best. Let us head over and check out the pricing plan of each. So first one, for AutoLeap, the pricing for Essential is you can get a demo, and we have Pro, and you can also get a demo for it, Pro Plus, and Multi-Shop. And after that, let's head over to the Shopmonkey one. It has a basic plan, Clever Monkey, Genius Monkey, and Multi-Shop. And then Tekmetric is, you can check the pricing over here. So it has a pricing of starting plan, grow plan, scale plan, and enterprise. And then for Fullbay, you can also check the pricing plan when you come over here. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.